Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be learning how to add multi-currency feature to WordPress and WooCommerce. If you want the multi-currency feature for your website, the easiest way is to choose a theme with a default multi-currency feature. Don't worry, if you are almost done with your website or if you want the option later on, we can use a plugin. For this multi-currency option, we are going to use Woox. Now let's see how this plugin works. First, let's add the plugin by going to the WordPress plugin library. Next, search for Woox. Now you can see WooCommerce Currency Switcher. This is the plugin we will be using today. As we have already installed the plugin, let's go to the settings directly to check out what configuration can be done. After the plugin has been installed, go to the WooCommerce menu and click on Settings. You can see a new tab named Currency. Once we go to the Currency tab, we can configure the Woox plugin. Now you can see the currencies by clicking on any box under Basic. You can choose the default currency. We will select USD because the default currency used for the store is US dollars. Next, you can see a lot of other options. Under symbols, we can choose whatever symbol we like for the currencies we are going to use. From position, we can select the currency symbol, position, whether to appear on the right or left of the value. We can select the decimal placements and also we can add the rate and interest. We can select whether to show the cents value and the visibility too can be controlled. Under description, we can add the description for the currency. Because the currency is USD, we have US dollars as default description. We can add a flag to the currency as well. Once we click the flag option, we can add an image of the flag we need. Because this is a free version, we are also to add 2 currencies only. If you need to add more than 2 currencies, you will need to buy the premium version of the plugin. We will keep all configurations as default. If you want to add a new type of currency, you can click on Add Currency. Because we are using the free version now, we are unable to add a new type of currency. From the Update All Rates option, we can update all the values for the latest currency rates. Now let's save our changes. After saving our changes, now let's go into the other tabs to find out how our currency converter will appear at the front end. Let's go to the Options tab. We have USD as our welcome currency. It is also our default currency. Next, we have the currency aggregator. We have Yahoo.com as our currency aggregator. All currency rates for our plugin are taken from the Yahoo.com. We have many other options as well. You can choose any aggregator such as the European Central Bank conversion rates. Next, we have the currency storage option. We have transient and PHP sessions as options. Transient has been selected as default. Currency storage will decide how we are going to see the data. When we use transient, it will be saved in the database. If we select PHP session, it will be session based. Once a user closes the tab, it will be removed from the website. As a default, we will use transient method. Rate auto update allows us to time our rate update automatically. We can select any timing as we like. Usually an hourly time will be enough, so that every hour the currency conversion rates will be updated automatically. Next, if you have any custom money signs or price formats, we can add them and customize the plugin. There are many options, but with options automatically selected by default, we can fulfill our daily requirements. From the Site Switcher tab, after enabling it, we can add the currency conversion switch to the front end. It works similar to the multi-language switch. By clicking Skin, we can change the appearance of the switch, and you can choose the site whether the switcher should appear. Margin colors also can be changed. Keeping all as default. Now let's save our changes. Now let's visit our site and check out how our plugin will be displayed. Go to the shop page. You can see currency switcher in the top right corner. Once you click the European euro currency, all the USD figures will change into euros. This is how we add multi-currency feature to WordPress and WooCommerce.